Hello everybody, thanks for watching, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm gonna change the battery of my Vespa ET2 clock here, which is originally this one, by a regular AA 1.5 volt battery everybody has at home. So what I think is always annoying here, that the little tiny battery only lasts for a couple of months. And to change the battery you have to screw off the whole speedometer, the case, the mirrors and everything, and it's a lot of work. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna solder these two wires to the clock inside the speedometer and then connect it to this battery case here, which I'm gonna put into the glove compartment down there. So next time you need to replace the battery, you just open this glove compartment, put a new battery inside, and you don't have to screw off the whole case and open the whole Vespa, and yeah, it's way less work. All right, let's start then. First of all, you need to remove the mirrors. So the next step is, there are two screws here. One is here, one is there. Then take off this case here, this front of the light. There you go. So to take off the speedometer, you need to unplug all the receptacles here for the lights, for the blinkers and everything. And the sensor for the speedometer, which is here. There we go. And there's one, and there's one. So now you can take off the speedometer, and if you want to replace the battery with the regular one and don't do it my way, you just can, there's the battery here. See? There. So you take a small screwdriver, open it, put the battery inside, and yeah, and then connect everything together. Alright, I finally made it. This is what I meant with, it's super annoying to replace this little small battery. It only lasts for a couple months. So as this battery is 1.5 volt battery, I told you before, you can replace it or connect any other 1.5 volt battery with this clock here. And what I'm going to do is, I've already prepared that here. I'm going to connect two short wires to these clips here, and then connect the long wires, which will go down all the way down to the battery case I will install. Just for, yeah, because if you need to remove the speedometer, you want to have these kind of connections here so you can take it off. Otherwise, when it's soldered together, you cannot take it off. one more thing I can tell you now. So if you need to replace any other light bulb here, for example for a oil level light bulb or something else, you have to also open the thing and then replace the light bulb. Alright, so I've prepared the clock already with the third hand. Always heat up the material or the thing you want to solder, not only the solder, because otherwise you're gonna have a cold soldering point, and when the engine is vibrating, the power connection will be disrupted. Alright, so let's give it a first try. So let's try it out. Yes, it's good. See? Yes. Very good. And I think I put some isolating tape on that. So, alright, this should be good. Yes, it's good. Alright, now I'm gonna reconnect everything and install the battery case inside the scooter. That looks good. See? And the battery. Alright, let me finish the rest. Okay everybody, so thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope I could show you a pretty good way to change the battery of the Vespa ET2 or ET4 battery, clock battery. I think this is also possible in other Vespas or other motorcycles which have this kind of clock battery problem, I would even say. So yes, thank you and see you next time.